To find any characters inside of a string, we have inStr function. Start from where? I want to start from very beginning, comma, on which string? Of course, on my t. And what are you looking for? For example, I'm looking for, let's say, p. Okay, close it and let's run. It is fourth. So from very beginning, start searching 1, 2, 3, and it is my fourth. And note that if we have repetitive characters, for example, Alexa, it totally depends on your searching start. If I search here A and search it, of course it is first one. But if I start from, as an example, 2, because it starts searching from here, so skipped first one, look at searching until reach there, and it is fifth. Start from very beginning for counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth characters. And again, space, it is counting. If I add a space, and again start from second one, even third one, the result doesn't depend on starting. Just start searching from third one and finding the first A, which it is in this case, because with extra space it is sixth one. And not only that, also you could search multiple characters. For example, I want to search EXA from very beginning, and because from very beginning searching, immediately finding EXA there, and it will return the first started position of character, which in this case it is 3.